Have you ever tossed for hours trying to fall asleep or woken up at 3 a.m. staring at the clock? I was like you. For years, nothing worked. Until I found a simple evening supplement system that finally fixed what melatonin and random magnesium pills never could. And surprisingly, one thing I added in the morning made a big improvement. Educational content only, not medical advice. Please consult your professional before use. Welcome to the Executive Health Mentor channel. I'm a Silicon Valley tech executive who retired early and became a certified health coach, now dedicated to longevity and sustainable recovery. Decades of long work hours, red-eye flights, and caffeine overload wrecked my sleep. If I could talk to my 30-year-old self, I'd say, fixing sleep isn't about more pills. It's about how your body chemistry changes through the day. Sleep is a rhythm between hormones and neurotransmitters that guide your brain from activity to recovery. As evening arrives, cortisol, the daytime go signal, falls. At the same time, two key calming messengers, GABA and Glycine, rise in the brain, quieting the nervous system as your core temperature drops slightly. These coordinated shifts set the stage for melatonin to sustain deep, restorative sleep. Research shows that balanced GABA-Glycine activity supports greater sleep depth and fewer nighttime awakenings. Fun fact, your core temperature drops about 1 degree Celsius before sleep, having a cool room help deepen rest. When that flow is disrupted by stress, travel, late screens, or caffeine, you can be exhausted yet wide awake. Real recovery isn't one pill. I finally found this evening supplement stack works well to support my natural chemistry. Interestingly, one morning supplement works in synergy with my evening stack, creating a smoother day-night balance for me. First, magnesium helps relax muscles and calm the nervous system, supporting hundreds of enzymatic reactions. Not all forms work the same. Oxide is poorly absorbed, citrate is better but can loosen stools. Glycinate, also called bisglycinate, is gentle and well absorbed. If your bottle says glycinate or bisglycinate, it's the same idea. The key is the glycine bond. Chelated magnesium glycinate generally increases absorption and reduces GI side effects. Fun fact, nearly half of adults fall short on magnesium. Mild deficiency can affect mood and sleep. Second, glycine can help your body cool and shift towards sleep. Around 3 grams before bed often shortens sleep onset and deepens slow-wave sleep for many people. Some people also notice fewer nighttime awakenings. I mix it with magnesium in warm water about 30 to 45 minutes before bed. Fun fact, glycine is slightly sweet, pairs well with warm water or herbal tea. Third, pharma-GABA is a fermented form of GABA, the brain's main calming signal. It promotes relaxed alpha wave activity, that steady, calm state before sleep. Research shows 100 ml pharma-GABA increase alpha waves and reduce stress EEG. Fun fact, pharma-GABA is produced by same bacteria as kimchi and yogurt. Fourth, theanine smooths the shift from alert to relaxed. It reduces mental tension without sedation, which is why it's used before meditation or focused work. Theanine increases alpha waves and calm alertness. Fun fact, theanine is found in tea leaves, centuries of calm focus in Asia. Last but not least, my biggest breakthrough came from what I don't take at night. I take ashwagandha in the morning. This adaptogen helps balance cortisol, higher in the morning, lower at night, so unwinding feels natural. Take it with breakfast if you're stimulant sensitive, or with lunch if mornings feel too calm. Research shows Shodan ashwagandha helps drop cortisol 30% and increase sleep quality. Fun fact, ashwagandha has been used for millennia across India and China to restore balance and resilience. In summary, here is a quick summary of my core sleep supplement stack. 1. Magnesium bisglycinate promotes muscle relaxation and helps calm the nervous system after a long day. This gentle, well-absorbed form supports hundreds of enzymatic reactions tied to stress, recovery, and sleep quality. 2. Glycine helps lower core body temperature and shortens the time it takes to fall asleep. It gently signals the brain that it's time to rest and can deepen restorative slow-wave sleep. 3. Pharma-GABA. a natural fermented form of GABA that enhances alpha wave activity, promoting mental calm before bedtime. It helps quiet racing thoughts so the body can enter deeper rest. 4. L-theanine, an amino acid from tea leaves that smooths the transition from alert to relaxed focus. It eases tension without drowsiness, supporting calm clarity as you unwind. 5. Ashwagandha, shodan, an adaptogenic herb that supports healthy morning cortisol levels, higher in the day, lower at night, to improve energy and relaxation balance. It helps the body adapt to daily stress and maintain a stable circadian rhythm. Together, these nutrients help align your natural rhythm between daytime focus and nighttime recovery, supporting more consistent, restorative sleep. If you'd like to learn more about this core sleep stack and see how each nutrient works together, you can find the full educational plan on Fullscript, the practitioner-grade supplement platform I use for verified quality and ingredient transparency. The link, along with my exclusive 15% discount, is in the video description below. Coming up next, how to expand this stack for stressful weeks or travel recovery. Besides my core sleep stack, I keep an expanded stack for specific situations. On stressful weeks, I add a few targeted options. First, taurine, about 1 gram, supports GABA and glycine tone and eases physical tension. Second, if mood and rumination are the issue, 5-HTP at 100 milligrams after dinner can support serotonin and later melatonin. Skip this if you use antidepressants or have mood disorder care unless cleared by your clinician. Third, for travel or time zone changes, a microdose of melatonin, around 0.3 to 0.5 milligrams, helps reset your clock. Use short courses, not nightly. Quick summary: 1. Taurine enhances GABAergic tone and parasympathetic relaxation. 2. 5-HTP increases serotonin and melatonin synthesis. 3. 0.3 to 0.5 milligrams melatonin helps circadian realignment. Fun fact: bright morning light is your body's most powerful clock anchor. It naturally resets your sleep rhythm each day. For years I finally learned, supplements are the nutrients. Habits are the timing code. These 7 daily habits create the conditions for deep sleep. 1. Keep a fixed bedtime and wake time within 30 minutes. A consistent schedule trains your internal clock, the suprachiasmatic nucleus, to coordinate hormone release, temperature, and heart rate variability. 2. Limit caffeine at least 8 hours before bed. Caffeine blocks adenosine, the molecule that signals rest, and can delay melatonin by over an hour. 3. Reduce blue light for 90 minutes before sleep. Enable night shift or blue light filters on devices and keep TV brightness low or off. 4. Limit water 90 minutes before bed. Plan your last drink early. Your supplement drink counts. 5. Try 10 to 15 minutes of legs up the wall before bed. This gentle inversion lowers heart rate, activates the parasympathetic system, and allows fluid from the legs to return to circulation, reducing nighttime awakenings to urinate. 6. Keep a cool room, around 60 to 67 degrees Fahrenheit, or 15 to 19 Celsius. Lower ambient temperature helps your core temperature fall for deeper, slow-wave sleep. 7. Use dim amber lighting under 50 lux. Soft, warm light tells your pineal gland it's time to rest. Together, these rhythms align your hormones, heart, and nervous system with the nutrients you take. Supplements provide the raw materials. Habits give them perfect timing. Let's bring it together. Morning anchor. Ashwagandha after breakfast. It balances cortisol for energy by day and calm at night. Evening core. Magnesium. Bisglycinate. Glycine powder in warm water. 30 to 45 minutes before bed, plus pharma-GABA and theanine. Expanded stack for as-needed support. Taurine 1 gram to ease physical tension. 5-HTP 100 milligrams for serotonin and melatonin balance, or a microdose, melatonin 0.3 to 0.5 milligrams to help reset circadian rhythm for travel. These expanded stack supplements are not habit-forming. They simply fine-tune your recovery when life gets off schedule. High-quality nutrients and consistent habits work together, from morning cortisol balance to evening calm, to build true recovery. You can explore my sleep stack plan on Fullscript, the practitioner-grade supplement platform I trust for verified quality and transparency. The link is in the video description below for both core and expanded sleep stacks. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps others find practical health content like this. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical strategies on energy, recovery, and longevity.